Hey guys, Sterling here with HS Motorsports. Today we're going to be talking about cold side intercooler pipes for the 11 to current Ford 6.7 PowerStroke. And we're going to start with our full silicone version. This billet aluminum coupler is a patented part. On your factory pipe and some of the other aftermarket pipes, you end up with a pretty loose fitting sensor. On our coupler, we've actually tightened up the tolerances here, so when you put your sensor in, you get a nice snug fit, especially once it's locked into place. Another nice benefit to our coupler is the fact that it is made here in the USA. It's not made overseas, it's not made in Mexico. This is a US made part. We have actually been making this since 2012. We were the first to market with an aftermarket intercooler pipe for these Fords. We've had 12 years of being able to refine this product to make sure that you are going to get the most durable, best fitting intercooler pipe for your truck. So on to our silicone boot here. This is a steel reinforced 5-layer woven boot that has fluorocarbon liner inside of it. The fluorocarbon liner is a liner to make this boot oil proof, meaning no oil that happens to get in here is going to be able to saturate into the silicone, which is a big deal on these pickup trucks since the crankcase ventilation system is rerouted back into the charge air system. Oil is honestly what causes a lot of the failures on these intercooler pipes. You get oil inside, it ends up soaking into the rubber and the plastic, and that's what's causing a lot of these failures, not only with the OE intercooler pipes, a lot of the competitors' intercooler pipes as well. We've tested this pipe at over 100 psi of boost, and the silicone is a very, very high temp resistant silicone. We've engineered this kit to be the most reliable intercooler pipe replacement on the market. In fact, during COVID, when it was so hard for Ford to get their intercooler pipes, they actually sent out a memo saying that this was an acceptable replacement for their intercooler pipes. And since then, we still have a ton of Ford dealerships that still buy these from us because they've recognized how much better of a product that it is compared to the factory piece. Another important feature about this is the fact that it is 50 state legal. It is Carb Approved, so you don't have to worry about putting this thing on your truck. If you have to get a visual inspection, you'll get one of these stickers that you can put under your engine bay, so you won't have any problems getting this thing through inspection. We have multiple options for intercooler pipes. This is our metal option that you still get our same high quality coupler, you get our high quality 5-layer woven boots, and then you get the metal pipe as well. This is nice, you can toss it in your truck just like this, or if you want to powder coat this thing to match, you can do that as well. And this kit, like all of our cold side intercooler pipe kits, is also 50 state legal. If you have any questions about any of our cold side pipes, give us a call. We'll absolutely answer the phone, answer any questions that you have, or feel free to reach out to any one of our authorized dealers or hs-motorsports.com.